So our hike started at 7 a.m. and it started at the Maracas Beach Lookout. If you're familiar, that's the place where they sell all the preservatives and all the good stuff. And then from there, we all convoyed and went to the bottom of the hill where the hike is originally supposed to start. As you can see, we're doing a little briefing on rules, regulations, safety tips, and all the good stuff to keep us safe for our hike. So yes, my girl Cooper and I just enjoying the little scenery, about to get into it. Now, this is quite funny because
You
my
have
friend
be
in the
barefoot by
background was just
force, you
talking
say.
about how her shoe was about to unstick, and I was making jokes saying that she'd be barefooted walking up the mountain. So said, so done. Her
Hey,
shoes fell apart,
I can't
guys.
recall
It
it.
fell apart. So, y'all can see
Looking
we are
so
enjoying this so far. I almost fell. I don't know why. I was just so studying to document everything. You can see my girl here tomorrow slaying her braids.
A promotional
Yes,
video.
done by us. Check us out, Latoya Beauty Bar. Can't go wrong. So we are about to do some treading up some mountains. So they explain to us
Coops,
how it may be
coops,
slippery and what to
coops.
look out for and what not to look out for. We started to walk slowly up a
Cooper, you
track
getting through?
or
Cooper, you
the
getting through?
little space left in the
Samara,
mountains
all
for
the
us.
good?
Yeah. What what got me at surprise is that I thought everybody was like on one level. When I looked up,
We going high.
everybody was high. So you can see us having some good fun here in the mountain, playing our favorite song, Rebel by Shansia. Yes. Big up Shansia. We're almost there, guys, so wait for it. And this is what we have been up to. This is just paradise. It was so beautiful. It smelled so clean. The water was so nice. It was amazing. This to me is paradise. This to me is amazing, guys. So this is